Thanks for watching the video, and here is Tech. So this is Maxbest mini speaker. Okay, this is Maxbest TM09. And if you guys remember, the last time or long time ago, I unboxed one Maxbest device right here on this platform, and I know most of you enjoyed that video. This video too, I'm going to make it enjoyable because with this, it comes with a lot of features and you need to know more. I'll just unbox the device and also give you my review after using it for like 5 to 6 days, close to 6 days. Okay, the good, the bad, I'll let you know right here on this platform. So if you're new, just subscribe because more unboxing videos will become right here on this channel. So if you're new, subscribe and then give me a like. Okay, and this is a Bluetooth device, and let's unbox. Let's go. So this is the device, okay, and this device is wireless. It supports FM radio, comes with it, okay, and SD card, pen drive for your phone, for your laptop, and other ones right here, okay. So this is the mini speaker born for music. Maxbest have been doing well with such devices, okay, and I hope with this device it will not give us any issue later, okay. So let's go straight. Let's hope they won't fail us just as they did for the other one. They did not fail, okay. So let's see. So there's it. Let's see what it comes with. Okay, from the top we have charger. Let's see, type C, yeah, type C charger, and it comes with a jack, aux, and the device itself, okay. So let's see. Okay, so this is the device, yeah, color red, okay, and I think there is something still in here. What's it? Okay, oh, I see. So this is for the FM, okay. This is for the FM, the radio, sure. All right, so we have the top right here with the name on it, Maxbest MBTM09, okay. So subscribe and I do for me, okay, and not just a fixed one, okay. It moves. So with the down, we have this to avoid movement. When you just put it down and then you play, okay. It has a handle, okay, for easy carrying, and then you can just hang it somewhere and then play and enjoy, okay. And these are some of the things that it comes with. I mean, the buttons, the functions. It comes with the power button. This is the power button. This is the volume down, and then also to go to the previous menu, okay. And then we have the menu right here for changing between the mode. I mean, the radio, the pen drive, and then we have the play and then the pause right here, and then we have the plus sign, which is for increasing the volume or going to the next song, okay. And we have open right here. We have open, so we are just going to open right here. Oh no. So after trying for like 20 to 30 times, I was able to open, okay. And when we look inside right here, we have the aux right here. We have the aux right here, and we have the USB port right here, and we also have, okay, so the aux, the USB, the SD card right here. We have the type C, okay, and then also the dot sometimes serve as a reset, okay, to reset this device, okay. So with the open, this is what we have right there. Please like if you haven't liked. And then we have the microphone right here, the mic. I skipped it, but this is one of the most important things that you should also know about the device to help you make calls even if your phone is not close to you. You can just answer with this button right here, okay. You accept the call right here, and then you just talk through right here, and then the person will hear you clearly, okay. So this is it, and let's turn on this device. Let's connect, and then let's enjoy some bass from this device to see how good it is, okay. And then I'll also continue with my review after using it for 5 days, close to 6 days, okay. So let's turn it on right here. I hope you all heard the sound, okay. I hope you all heard the sound. Okay, yeah, I think it also comes with some RGB, different light. So let me turn off my light and then let's enjoy some from it. Okay, so subscribe and I do, because more videos will come here on this platform. All right, so that's it. Okay, and I think with this one, from the manual that I read, there was no way that you can just turn on this RGB. Okay, you cannot turn it on. Okay, I mean turn it off and then on. It will just be something like this. Okay, so this is it. This is the unboxing of the device and the features that it comes with. So after using it for some time, my review will come back like that. Just subscribe and then it will continue right here from this video. Alright, so after using the device for 5 to 6 days, let me just turn it on. Okay, so let me connect with my Bluetooth right here. Okay, the name is the MBTM09. Okay, so there is it. Okay, and if you want to use this device for calls, tap on allow access to your contact and tap on pair. Okay, but you know, for calls you can just deactivate that one. Okay, so you all heard the sound that it has been connected. Okay, so now let me go to one guy that I love his song so much. Okay, he's called Kempon and he's on Audio Mac. Okay, so right here after this song, listen to it, listen to the quality of the Maxbest device. You can just keep streaming his songs right on Audio Mac. Kempon. Okay, so let's start to play this song from Kempon. Okay. I wanna leave some legacy, so leave the way the emergency. Wanna see my enemy, yeah, make you cover me. I hate the way you over me, from bitches and my enemies, bitches and my enemies. We on 10 toes, they search money for no part when you wait. There is their gun, we no sleep and we no hustle go pay. We on 10 toes, they search money for no part when you wait. There is their gun, we no sleep and we no hustle go pay. Some shimmy chain, no matter boys in the piano, I'll go see me don't know about. Come on, my young mood in Cassam, the video be you, any answer. Hey, Bracky, if it's got a deal, no watch it, no, me and Massa. Stand the Bebana Joe Ninten, so be sure about forget your answer. Hey, Bracky, Jai, going for the money, ain't you be an answer. A barber rap from a candy bapon. Okay, so we all heard the song, the beat, and the bass from the device. Okay, so this is the Maxbest device. Okay, and with the radio, okay, when I tried search for it, everything was working perfectly. Okay, and with the bass, I really like the bass. Concerning the tenor, everything about the device, I really love it. Okay, but one thing I did not like about the device is the idea of having this small place. Okay, to just stand. If you just leave this device down there, I'm not sure this can contain the amount of bass that this device gives, which means that this device will be likely to fall if in case you leave it somewhere. Okay, I mean a place like on your wall or somewhere not on the ground. Okay, higher at a place whereby you think if you're not careful, this device will fall the moment you just notice. Okay, so the falling rate of this device is very high because of the small portion right here. I suggest that they could have made it this way. Okay, so that this side will be somewhere here, because if you check, you will see that the speaker is right here, the one facing you, giving you the I mean the song. Really, I mean, I don't know what to say, but everything, you hear it more right here. You hear more of the song right here, more than the back right here, which means the speaker face is facing right here. Okay, so the back could have been this side. Okay, you understand? Okay, So I think that's the suggestion that I can give to Maxbest devices. Maxbest, they are just making good, great device, and I really love this device. I really enjoyed it with the hours. That is one of the most important things. It can last for 5 to 6 hours, 5 to 6 hours at the highest volume, 5 to 6 hours. So let's say half the volume, you can just go like 9 or 10 hours with this device. Okay, although on their device, on their label, okay, they give us like 100 and I saw 100 and something right here. Let's see it right here. Okay, so playing time is 110 minutes, which is less than 2 hours. But when I check, I think I got more than that right here. Okay, so that's one thing I can say with the device. And with the charging, it takes like close to 2 hours. Okay, and sometimes to 2 hours, and then this device is fully charged. Okay, so that's the device for you. That's the Maxbest TM09. Okay, so this is all that I can say with the device. Everything was working perfectly. There is no issue with this device. I have nothing bad to say about this device. Okay, so I think with this side too, when I checked later, it was just a sensor to let you know whether it's playing, and also for charging, you will see this light right there. So I think I later got to know of it more. Okay, as I just use this device. Okay, so if there is anything that you want to know about the device, comment in the comment section. If you want to know how much I bought this, I bought it for 150 Ghana cedis. 150 Ghana cedis, and I can help you get one. Check in the comment section or description of this video for a contact, okay, and then you can just get yours. This is the Maxbest TM09. Like, subscribe, and share, and then I will see you in the next video. What is your question about this device? Leave it down there, and then I will answer for you. Okay.
I won't fly, go higher. So those who know my past, I really wanna be great before I pass out. I really wanna be great before I die. I never want my friends to call me loser. Sika me babe, buy me boy. Sika went to buy me go. Those who know my past, I really wanna be great before I pass out. I really wanna be great before I die. I don't want my friends to call me loser. Sika me babe, buy me boy. Sika